Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm showing you how to save any View Once photo or video from WhatsApp. And the best part, this works on both iPhone and Android. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. So imagine this, a friend sends you a View Once photo or video. You open it and boom, it disappears, right? WhatsApp's privacy settings stop you from doing anything with it. You can't screenshot it or record it, but don't worry. I've got a trick to save it. Here's what you need to do. First, when you open the View Once media, don't close the chat just yet. Tap the three dots at the top right of the chat. Then choose More and hit Export Chat. WhatsApp will create a zip file of your chat. Pick a file manager like Zarchiver, it's simple and reliable, or use whatever works for you. Open the zip file in your file manager. Tap the file and hit Extract. Create a new folder to keep everything organized. Once it's extracted, open the folder, and there you go. You'll find the View Once photo or video saved. And that's it. You've got the media saved on your phone. Just follow these steps for any View Once files you want to keep. If this hack helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.